Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can create your new account on Wechat. To do so, first of all, just download your Wechat app from your Google Chrome browser. Now after downloading your Wechat, open it up. Do make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, and after opening up Wechat, you can see that you are on this kind of screen. And you'll be able to see an option for sign up right here on the bottom right side of your screen. If you just click on sign up, you can see these options where you can sign up via your mobile phone number or your Facebook. Choose any of the options that you want, and after choosing any one of the options, you can see that it will show you this kind of screen. Now just fill in your credentials and just tick this I have read and accepted the terms and services, and click on accept and continue, and then you'll be able to create your account on Wechat. And this is how you can create an account on Wechat. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.